Here we are, the 84 C30 crew cab project, and just repairing the rust on the passenger side door jambs, and got the panel off, and this is what remains. Absolutely nothing left. The panel actually broke, the piece I cut off actually broke where it this piece where it goes under here and up here. There's a small lip here on this size. Where the panel also goes down, it completely rusted off, so it broke. I could just rip it off, so it's pretty much gone. Here's the piece I cut out. You can see it's just ripe. Nothing left. So I got my work cut out for me. Back later.